Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone XR model identifier and free storage, because the wrong build will brick the phone. Once done, make a complete backup to Finder or iCloud and verify it restored on another device or archive. Next, charge to at least 80% and use a good USB cable. Make sure your PC or Mac has the latest iTunes or Finder updates installed. Now put the device and computer on the same trusted network, so file transfers and device signing work without interruption. You download the exact IPSWA build for your XR and verify its checksum so you don't install corrupted firmware. This prevents restore failures. Then, if Apple signs a developer or public beta for iOS 26, install the beta profile and reboot to activate update channels. If you must restore manually, put the XR into DFU mode using the precise timed button sequence and connect to Finder or iTunes. Once the computer detects a device in recovery, choose Restore with the verified IPSWA to begin flashing. You let the restore complete fully, watching progress in Finder or iTunes, and only disconnect once the XR boots to the Hello/Setup screen. After initial setup, restore your verified backup and re-enable Face ID, Apple ID, and services so apps and settings return. If something goes wrong, first retry DFU Restore, then re-download and re-verify the IPSWA checksum, and try a different USB port or computer. If errors persist, especially signing or unknown errors, stop and consult an experienced repair or Apple service to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.